Hi, welcome to repairing the iPad 2 Digitizer. If you look at this, you can see there's quite a bit of damage on this corner over here. The plastic is cracked along here and there's a large crack around here. But there's many different shards here. So before we get started, I want to look at some of the things we have to prepare. Here's our replacement Digitizer screen. It's white. And I have some scissors so we can, when the time comes, we'll undo this. Then I have a 000 Phillips head screwdriver, a blade, some double-sided tape, putty knife, some scissors, some needle nose pliers to kind of line or repair some of the bends on here, and a heat gun to loosen the adhesive, and we have some transparent packing tape. That's what we're going to start with. The reason being, we want to bond this all together so that when we take the Digitizer up, it won't fall all apart. Now that still might not be completely possible, but we're going to do our best. So I'm going to put this down here. And as I video, so if you look at this, you can see there's plastic covering all the sharded areas. And this probably won't protect everything, but it might save us a few cuts and allow us to clean it up a little bit better. Okay. So there's a couple of places where we have to be careful. One is around this button here, and there's a Wi-Fi antenna that's taped to this case here. We gotta be careful with that. The other part is there's on the side here, you can see the volume control switches here. So we want to be careful when we're up on this side. And I think we're going to need one more piece up here just to be safe. Okay, good. So now we're going to use some heat gun, and we're going to give it a little bit of heat around here. This will hopefully loosen up the adhesive. Kind of warm. This is kind of the device that they use for shrink tubing. And this is the part of the project that takes a lot of patience because we're removing the broken glass digitizer, and there's a lot of opportunity for things to break further here. So we want to kind of take our time. See the adhesive there. Okay, see how that works. So we put that away. And now we're going to start, it's nice and warm, we're going to start over here. And we're going to try and pry this up a little bit. And it may break because it's glass. And that won't be a big surprise to us. So the idea here is to be rather patient. You can see like pieces are already falling out.